Are you still figuring out how to build a brand? Are you worried about how to create the popular products for your brand? Unicare will be your best choice. We have been continuously upgrading with the trend in the past 20 years. Nowadays, we use digital marketing methods to help a client to promote their brand and products. Do you want to know in detail how we can help you? First of all, we will research what the consumer needs through the marketing analysis. It helps customizing the products which can resolve the pain point of your target. At the same time, we will combine with skin testing to make the selling point with the same efficacy as the consumer's feeling. Unicare owns a number of international patented technology and inclusive ingredients that can make your product with irreplaceable value. For the past 20 years, Unicare has strongly controlled the purchase of raw materials to the production process. That's our constant insistence and never change. To ensure high efficacy, high safety, and high quality products, Unicare will always stand behind you and build this beauty world with you. All you need is a dream and Unicare.